Remove the filter pan from the fryer. Remove the crumb tray from the filter pan and empty into a fireproof container. Lift up on the hold down ring and wipe down the hold down ring. Discard the filter paper. Lift up the Santa grid screen and wipe it down. Clear debris and oil from the pan. Clean the pan and all other components. Turn the filter pan upside down to drain any remaining water from the hull. Thoroughly dry the filter pan and accessories. Reassemble the filter pan. The Santa grid inner screen goes in first. Position it on the studs in the bottom of the pan. Lay the filter paper across the pan. Center the hold down ring on the paper. Wrap the paper around the hold down ring and lower it into the pan, ensuring the excess paper rides up on the wall of the pan. If using filter powder, add the packet of filter powder to the paper. Place the clean crumb tray into the pan. Return the pan to the fryer, ensuring it is inserted on top of the rails and fully seated into the fryer.